Why do 90% of PS4 owners fumble with their controllers? Because pairing sounds tricky, but it's actually super easy. Let's make your setup smooth and simple. First up, grab your PS4 and your controller. The easiest way, use a USB cable. Plug one end into your PS4, the other into your controller. Now press the big PS button in the middle. The light bar blinks, then glows solid. Boom, you're paired. Unplug the cable and play wirelessly. Need to connect a second controller or lost your cable? Turn your PS4 on. Make sure your controller is off. If it's on, hold the PS button until it powers down. Now, hold Share and the PS button together until the light bar flashes. On your PS4, go to Settings, then Devices, then Bluetooth devices. Pick your new controller from the list. Solid light? You're in! Troubleshooting time. If it's not working, charge your controller, use a working data cable, or reset it with a paperclip in the tiny hole on the back.